Welcome back to another Trucker Tim weekly video. You find me in the Mitsubishi Outlander today. Monday morning, we've got a lot to do this week. We're currently heading over to IDW RC Customs, where I'm going to start building the RC truck you guys could win. There's a link to the raffle in the description of this video. If you haven't already, go and buy your tickets. I'm going to be filming a video today for the Life of Tim channel. And then later on this afternoon, we're heading over to MW Engineering, where we're going to get the cover off the Volvo Build and start work again. Yes. Ooh. So this is the actual truck that you could win right here. Don't interfere.
This is experience.
Don't interfere. Why are you interfering?
That's all we've took off, and all that's me. But now I've peeled everything off, now you don't know what it is.
No, I don't. So you're not helping me, are you? Even though you said you were. I'm not at that bit yet.
Yeah, but I'm just
listen,
C.
What do you want? C5.
Right. No. No. That one. You need that bit up.
Yeah, but that's section 4, I'm section 3.
See you later.
So I've had enough of that. You rejoin me in the Outlander. Let's head over to MW Engineering. Come on, boys. It's time to get on with the Volvo Build. Oh, I hate this car. Also, as well, if you'd like to see the first part of the RC truck build, it is now available to view on the Life of Tim channel. Link in the description for that also. It's time to start filming another Volvo video. We're about to take the cover off the Volvo for work to start again. Yes! So you rejoin me. I've got the Ranger back. We're on our way to Boons. We need some metal for the Volvo build. You want to see this place. They have got everything you could ever need for fabrication here. Look at all the metal. Look at it all. I think we've found what we need. That piece right there. I knew they'd have what I wanted. Look at that. That's for the Volvo build. I'm now at Wright's Tools, the place to be for all of your tools. Literally, look at the stock in here. Stuff everywhere. I love this place. I think these are new. These Wright's Tools signs. Here he is.
Oh, Tim.
Happy New Year.
Happy
are
New
we still
Year.
saying that, or is
No,
it too?
no,
Oh, is that
no,
too late now?
No, on the second.
Oh, I haven't seen you.
Finished on the second. New walkie light.
Look at that.
That's it. Yeah, it's got the little.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, sorry. Yep.
That's not the brightest
That
setting.
goes on the back as well.
Wow.
Different light setting, and you can get the end setting as well.
Rechargeable,
Very
is it?
compact, rechargeable. You get 10,000
Magnetic, is it?
magnetic, yeah, hanging and all
That is
sorts of
good,
things.
that.
Let's see how magnetic it is.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
steady on.
Yeah.
That is strong.
That's strong, yeah. We'll put that
You're
there,
going to be
yeah.
in trouble, you are.
Big circuit ply set.
Wow.
It goes out to a massive
ply.
sort, yeah. So that winds right out to that sort of big circlips like that.
What? Where would you need something like that? It's just these sort of things amaze me, really.
Well, machineries, lorries,
Big stuff.
places,
Lorries,
yeah. Yeah,
I
guys.
haven't come across one
trailers,
yet.
trailers,
Trailers.
lorry trailers.
Yeah.
We've got a lot of guys that do work on lorry
I
trailers.
haven't come
and they
across
think,
one yet, but when I do, I know where to come.
What have we got there?
What's he got here?
Oh, it's a multiplier.
What?
Yeah, it's a little torque
You're
multiplier.
making a right mess today.
Yeah, I am. Yeah, I've got
Nope.
a torque multiplier. That is. Yeah.
Right, what's that?
So you can put a torque wrench in there, and you can get and it multiplies it, so you can get more power and more torque out the other side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's all different ones of those. Yeah, we sold one this morning that was
Yeah.
about £900. It wasn't like this; it was a bit bigger than this. But that's the sort of money you can spend. One day you may need one of those.
Oh,
Well,
I
I
might
hope you
do.
don't. I hope you
I
don't.
was quite impressed by the size of this box because it's taller than me. Don't need a
54
strimmer.
volt but if you
Don't do
if
gardening.
You do need one.
I might need this when I have to get the cab out of Shaun'S field for the 4 Series because it's probably going to be grown up with grass and weeds.
I think so. Yeah.
Might need that.
Yeah, I
DeWalt.
reckon you will. Yeah,
That is a socket.
it's a socket.
105.
Yes.
Yeah. See?
See?
I know my sockets,
You
mate.
know that just off the top.
Yeah.
Nothing to do with
with
that.
that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go now
Yep.
while I've not spent too much money. All I've spent is £1.50 on a bit of
I
threaded
think
bar.
what we've got to do is have a good old spend up.
Yeah, I know. I do need to come back, don't I?
Yeah, we're gonna have to make you a package up or something.
Yeah,
do a
do
good old spend up.
another package, another package deal.
package.
You're good at the old
Another
package
toolbox
deals.
to go on your toolbox with more.
Yeah, I have broke a few of those tools, so I do need a little bit of a restock.
Well, we can upgrade.
We
Can't
could upgrade, probably need to go to the next level.
Yes. Yeah,
do
I can
like-
sort it out.
I do break the odd tool. It's
Yes,
them 4
I've
Series,
seen-
all
I have
rusted
seen.
solid.
Yes.
You've seen.
Yeah,
Oh God, you
especially
don't
when
watch it. Do you watch the video?
I do.
God. So you rejoin me at home now. I have a parcel. Oh. So this is for,
My Volvo?
not for your Volvo, no. Look at these. V8, VFH. And underneath I put Volvo FH V8. So this number plate isn't just a show plate. I have actually purchased this. I own the registration V8 VFH. I got sent it by somebody on Instagram and it brought my attention to it. And I was like, oh, I've got to have that for the
What
V8
does
FH.
what does it all stand for? I know what V8 stands for.
Well, V8, the lorry is
engine,
going
yeah.
to be a V8
Yeah.
engine in a Volvo FH.
Ah, okay. Like it.
So it's going to be a V8 engine in a FH. So it's like, or like a V8 engine versus an FH. So it's like a V8 FH. So V.
Those letters and numbers are now losing all meaning. You've said them that many times.
So it's like a VFH.
Yes.
Like a V8 FH. VFH. So
We get it.
later on in the video, we're going to stick them on. We have more sticker stock. Link in the description for the merch store. Here she is, the Volvo FH V8 that is to be. Engine is there. Just got to get it in there. Let's put our new plates on. I know it's a bit pointless really, but I bought the plates, so I want to put them on it. Here we go, that's better. The perfect plate for it. I'm happy with that.
Ah!
He's back. Where have you
Robin.
been?
Yeah, I've been
You've
like,
been busy. Oh. Where have you been?
yeah, I've been here, but you've been there.
Yeah, I've been
And then
at
when
my
you've been
unit.
here, I've been there.
Yes, we've been away.
And
so
I did
we
break my
haven't-
leg,
Yeah, I did.
so I was out of action.
You was out of action.
And people say
was
you're
you
not
laid up in
speaking,
bed?
but you did text me.
I did text you. We texted over Christmas. We do still speak, but
Yeah.
we've just
Off
been very
content.
busy.
Yeah.
Very busy. But we're back.
Back.
We've listened to the viewers and the comments, haven't
Oh,
we?
where is Tim?
Yeah.
Where is Dipper?
Where is
We need
Dipper?
him.
We've listened to the comments and we're back. Here he is.
And he's there.
I hear you've purchased another vehicle.
Well, you know, it's you get like the people you work with. I've seen you getting more vehicles.
Yes.
So I got more vehicles.
I thought you was having those dulled down.
I had them one grade lighter.
It's no different.
I know, yeah. But that is legal.
That is, isn't it?
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Yeah. The Volvo, you've gone Volvo.
Been to Scotland.
That's
So?
going to Scotland, is it?
Yeah.
Do you need some haulage?
Yes.
Do you?
Yes.
Oh, that'll be. Yeah, I'll do that.
Do you want to do that?
Yeah, I'll do that. Oh, so this is your new acquisition, we'll call it.
I like that.
Acquisition.
Work in 2024. That's nice.
Since you've been gone, we've added another video to the channel on a
Oh
Sunday.
yes, I've seen it. So, what do you think of the new acquisition?
Tidy.
Tidy, but not expensive.
Well, I don't know. It looks quite expensive.
It's not expensive.
So, what colours?
Can't decide. What do you think? Like, 'cause I'm putting the stripe through
Yeah,
here.
this is what I was
the
going to
black,
ask.
because then it'll be lower than the trailer. But I did look at a picture, and I was going to do the grille black. Somebody do the black stripe all the way around the front, and then white in the bottom.
Tricky one.
Yes.
Tricky one. You need some renders making.
Not a V8.
It's not a V8.
Somebody said to me in a comment, shame it's not got an engine.
Scandling.
Well, they do not understand.
It's same it's not got an engine.
That's what they said.
Well, it has got one. She's not a top line, is she?
No.
You'd have to get dressed in bed, laying down, wouldn't you? You can't.
Good morning, Tim.
Morning.
Yeah, well, I do feel myself at home in a 3 Series.
You used to drive these, I take it.
Yeah. Oh, I would run it, but the truth is,
It doesn't start.
I'll tell you why. So I was not conned. What happened after I got home, I had a problem when I went to pick it up with the key. Then I got here and it would not start. No, I didn't.
You did?
Yeah, and I had trade plates on.
Oh, did you?
The interior, it's meant this thing inside. I keep
It is
a
very
smile when I get in here.
Yeah, we're just sitting here then all day.
Later. Nope.
Are they all in?
14 and 21. Yeah, they are all in. I run legitimately.
Yes, you are a responsible operator.
Yes. Come and have a look in here, Timothy.
I'm getting in version 1.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, it's a bit solid.
Yeah, there's no air. It's a bit like the top of your head. No air.
Okay.
Oh, I drove 3 of these when they were new.
Did you? What, at once?
No, one after the other. And I really liked them, that is the truth. But then the version 2 came out and lost all my love for the Volvo.
I like your wind kit.
So in the day, these two would have been on the road at the same time.
Yeah, they look very similar. Well, they don't look similar, but
Yeah.
well, they're both red.
Yeah. Yeah. That's why it's getting done at the minute. See?
Oh,
That is not a Volvo seat.
is it not? Are you sure? Shut
At Sydney, that'll be different. When my own truck went for paint a few years ago, the seats were already at the upholsterer, and the painter had a cancelled slot. And I had to have a similar scenario to drive on our own road.
I was getting bored of your story there. I was just going to jump off.
Lukewarm water. Looking at the shadow, look off the passenger window on that side.
Yeah, look. You can get a better airbrusher than Adam.
No. This
Look at that.
in here
It's like a picture, mate.
castle up beside me in Scotland.
Yeah.
Hence I wanted that look. Part of Loch Ness.
Stone chips.
No, Timothy. That's my kids' star signs.
Oh, Kid Star Signs.
I didn't
Oh,
want
sorry.
to put their name on directly. So it's a little touch to my children.
Had to get the touch-up pen out and.
No. I will give you a tip of advice. If you put laser lamps on your van, don't use DAB radio, because when I go full beam, it knocks the DAB radio out.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
So yes, me and Nipper
Yes.
have not fallen out, just been very busy. Well, now back with Shaun. What's happening to the yard, mate? It's all cleared up.
Cleared up, dude. Cleared up.
What's
Ready
going
for the
on?
new shed.
Huh?
Ready for the new shed.
I hope those cones aren't.
Yeah.
Are those?
That's how
Is that
wide.
an outline of it?
Yeah. Or where the pink flag is, really.
Oh.
Big, isn't it?
So,
That's the
how are you going to get in Bay 3?
we trialled it this morning. As long as the skip's not there and that Renault's not there.
And the cabin?
No, the cabin's all right.
Oh.
Let me show you. Do you want me to do it and show you?
No, I believe you.
So the width. Yeah.
Are you thinking you may have ordered a bit of a too big a shed?
I think I might have dropped an absolute clanger here.
Well, you can get round it, that's fine.
Yeah, you can get round it. That's fine. The shed comes like down here.
Oh my god! That is a big shed. When that's up, is it going to be about as high as those ones, or a
Yeah.
bit bigger?
As high as that one.
That's going to be some space for content.
Yeah.
Oh, look, someone's already backed into it.
Someone's already backed into the shed. It'll look even bigger when it's up.
That's the corner. Yeah, there, where my little tassel is.
Yeah, look at that. He's fly fishing.
Yeah, where my little tassel is there. That's
That's the corner.
The
yeah,
corner,
okay, yeah.
yeah.
And you get in between.
yeah.
In
where
between
the cone
that-
is, look.
Oh, that's good. You can
The
you can
corner
have
of the
a
shed.
you can drive in and drive round. Do a loop.
There is that as a point. Yeah. We can work that out.
Yeah,
I
you
didn't
could
think
drive
of that.
round it.
I didn't think of that.
Oh, you work it,
We'll work it. That isn't good dripping out of there, is it?
mate. I've done that with Becky Giles, and that is urine.
Urine.
Urine. I think you'll be all right.
Are we going to be alright?
Yeah. Looking forward to this build series. Do you want me to start digging a trench? Oh, you've just dropped another little bombshell that's probably
Yeah.
changed things a little bit.
Yeah.
It's a drive-in, drive-out shed.
Yeah.
So you drive in there and drive out this way.
Yeah.
Well, you can't have stuff parked there then, can you?
No.